It's an absolute game changer to finally stop wrestling with a heavy, clunky vacuum and glide through your entire home with something so light it practically feels like an extension of your arm. Welcome back to the channel, and if you've been looking for that perfect balance between the endless power of a corded machine and the nimble grab-and-go feel of a stick-vac, the Shark Rocket Ultralight HV301 is the workhorse you've been waiting for. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a versatile cleaning system that never loses suction. Because it's corded, you never have to worry about a battery dying halfway through the living room, giving you the freedom to deep clean as long as you need to. Weighing in at under 8 pounds, it is incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and under cabinets thanks to the advanced swivel steering. The magic really happens when you realize it's a true two-in-one machine. With a quick click, it converts into a handheld vacuum, making it the ultimate tool for cleaning stairs, upholstery, or even reaching up to those dusty ceiling fans. What really sets the HV301 apart is its dual-surface performance. With a simple flick of a switch on the handle, you can transition from deep cleaning carpets to gently suctioning hard floors without missing a beat. It's bagless and features a bottom-release dust cup that's incredibly easy to empty, keeping your hands clean and your maintenance costs at zero. Finished in a sharp gray and orange, it's compact enough to hang on a wall or tuck into a tiny closet, making it the ideal solution for apartments or anyone tired of lugging a full-sized upright up the stairs. If you're ready to stop dreading vacuum day and start using a machine that actually makes the job feel effortless, this is the one. It's powerful, it's portable, and it's built to handle everything from daily pet hair to a full house deep clean. Click the link below for the best price and make your cleaning routine effortless today. If this review helped you find the perfect vacuum for your home, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best home cleaning tech on the market. See you in the next one.